Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmates. So, our topic is about song making and the Da Vincian principles. So, first is ang kaning song making. So, what is song making? So, kaning song making is derived daw siya from the Greek poio, which means to be the author or maker of something. So, kibali, ikaw pa lang ang magmugna. So, imuha pa lang imugna. Then, ang soul maker na pod is someone who has created through his intelligence something unique and worthwhile. Kaning soul maker, siya na yun ang kaning nagbugna or siya na ang naghimo o kaning naghimo na siya gamit ang iyahang intelligence niya. Soul making is very much closely related to crafting. That is, kaning activity siya nga maghimo bitaw kag klase-klase nga mga murag art na Japon siya, then or making decorative object with one's hands or skillfully creating something such as story. Then crafting could be done with any mediums, which may be through painting, sculpting, drawing, writing stories, and poetry. Then ang kanipong crafting apil na po diri ang dancing, then composing or taking notes. So next is steps in crafting stories. Step 1, find your key emotion. So unsa man gyud ang hinungdan nganong ang isa makasulat gyud og story or write something. Then this is the main issue or reasons why someone is inspired to put down into words one's desires or feelings. So kaning kay emotion or the heart of the matter which propels one to write a story. It answers the question, what impression do I want to leave in the mind of readers? So unsa to ang mga impression niya iyang ibilin sa mga sahon-ahon sa readers or something what remain with them after reading the story. Then diyan na din musunod ang step 2 which is ang start with the hook. Kung ahagid nimo siya sugdan. So in order to catch the reader's attention right away, a good writer will start with something that is intriguing. Kung asa nang naka-intriga bitaw, then dira na dayon musulod sa mga readers kung ang mga pangutan na nga what, why, o how. Kay murag di ba ma-intriga man sila, so murag makapangutan na gyud sila ana. So step 3, write the story. So there is a famous Cebuano statement na goes dagang sulti, dagang sayop. Then perhaps ang iyang closest counterpart ani, which is ang statement ni William Shakespeare, brevity is the soul of the right. Then there is also the line of Shakespearean, even more convincing, full of sounds and funny, signifying nothing. So step 4, write a strong ending. A basic rule that is applicable not only to writing stories but likewise is other form of writing such as speechless, orations, declamations, and the like is to give a nice ending. So example na diri is kana bitong sa naay plot twist nimo ibutang ba nga ang mga reader gyud na speechless. Then maura to. Then step 5, reread your story. Is it important to reread what you have waiting for 3 good reasons? First, try to check the flow of the words. Dapat tama ang imong mga words dito. Then second, review your key emotion. Katong key emotion. Third, there must be always one plot in the story. The next is step 6, edit yourself. Reminder, always go back to your key emotion before declaring that the job is already done. Then step 7, ask others for editing help. Don't rely too much on your own capacity. As the saying goes, 2 heads are better than 1. So kaning ask others for editing help, murag magpatabang bitaw ka sa ngayo kag idea og okay na ba ang imuha ang stories kay match man ang katong kibali kung magpatabang ka og tabang ka sa uban murag bitaw mas makahatag bitaw sila og tama nga idea or mas mahimo pag better ang imuhang story nga gihimo. Then maara po to. Thank you.